Welcome to Teleform Training Module number 9, Editing Scans, Updating Metadata, and Sending to HPRM using the Verifier software. Verifier serves two purposes. It provides you the opportunity to perform quality control checks on the documents before they get imported to the city's permanent records management system. It also allows you to make edits to each document's metadata so it's correctly imported. Let's start by reviewing the quality control process. From the main screen, select the batch you want to quality check. Right-click on the batch number and select QC from the drop-down list to open it. You'll see each individual document in the batch and can view them by double-clicking on an icon or clicking on a document from the list in the left column. Review each document to ensure it is properly classified. Minutes should be classified as minutes, ordinances as ordinances, etc. Also, make certain each page is scanned clearly, that it is legible, and that none are crooked or cut off. Once all documents look good, move on to the editing process. From the main page, select the batch you want to edit from the list of available batches. This will bring you to the Verifier tool. You'll see all available metadata fields on the left and the important fields in the center of the screen. This information may or may not have auto-populated from the original scan. In this case, it hasn't, so you'll need to make some edits. First, you'll need to input the container ID. This will designate what container this document will be put into once it's in HPRM. The container should already exist in HPRM, so if you don't know what that container number is, go to HPRM and search for it. If it doesn't exist, watch Teleform Training Module number 8 for instructions on creating one. Once you have the container number, type it into the top field. Be careful not to make any typos because it will make finding the file later very difficult, if not impossible. Next, continue to complete the remaining fields with accurate information. You can either type the information in and use the drop-down menus, or you can highlight the correct data on the document shown on the right, and it will auto-populate the selected field. If you choose the Highlight and Select method, it is extremely important that you double-check that the information is correct. Read everything over to ensure legibility and accuracy, and if necessary, you can add, delete, or edit text once it's copied. When all the possible fields are completed and the data is verified, go ahead and save the file. This will give you two options. 1. Save for export, or 2. Save for later verification. If you still need to make additions or changes, select Save for Later. Only save for export once all of the verification is done and the file is ready to export to HPRM. Once you save it, Verifier will automatically bring up the next document in the batch, so you can make necessary edits to it as well. Do this until all documents are completed fully and accurately. When you're done editing and saving the last document in the batch, it'll return you to the main Verifier screen. Once all documents in the batch are ready for export, the batch will be marked as ready to be committed. This means you have certified that it's true and accurate and ready to be exported into HPRM, the city's permanent records management system. To commit the documents for export, simply highlight the correct batch, then right-click on it and select Commit. Confirm that you want to commit the batch. It will process each document individually. Upon completion, each document will now be a new record in HPRM and will be available to all users who have permission to access it. When you're finished, it will return you to the main menu where you can see that the batch is now marked complete. If you have any questions about this or any other topics related to this, contact Records Management or send us an email at changeagent@carlsbadca.gov. This concludes our training on editing scans, updating metadata, and sending the files to HPRM.